Over the next few videos, I will be talking about different lacing techniques. There's a lot of different ways you can tie your laces to help fit the shoe a little bit better. The first lacing technique I will talk about is called the heel lock. This is used for people who have problems with their heel sliding out of the back. It holds the heel in place so that your heel doesn't slide around. For this lacing technique, you will need the eyelet at the end. You can use these two here, but it won't be as effective. So the lace comes out the end here, and then you want to loop it and feed it through that eyelet so that it creates a loop. Now you want to do the same thing on the other side. Create that loop. Once that's complete, then you want to cross the lace onto the other loop and do the same thing with the other side here. So cross into this loop here. Once that's complete, then you pull them both together, and then that creates a tighter grip on that heel.